Hi everyone. Today's topic is how to remove repeated values or redundancy from a string. Here I'm not talking about duplicate records in table, but I'm talking about duplicate present in single column value as a string, right? So for example, like in some cases, if you use LISTAGG functionality, then there might be possibility you got some repeated value in your final result. Yeah. So, okay, don't worry, I'll demonstrate everything in practical for you. So, for removing duplicates, we will use regular expressions, right? Basically, that replace function. Okay. So, here is a sample data which I was talking about. So, sometime you came up with this kind of data which we are getting in original string here in mention. So you'll notice we have repeated values, right? So str1, str1 three times and str2 is also three times. So our aim will to eliminate those duplicates and came up with a unique values like we have in final string str1 and str2, right? So I hope you got the problem, right? So, okay, so let's create a data set for this and practically and just solve this problem. Yep. So I do connected with one of my DB. Okay, so yes, connection is working fine. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to create a data set. Okay, so let's create a table first. So create table. Okay, so we have created one table with layman underscore gap. Okay, let's insert some duplicate stuff into that table. So, okay, so let's say let's find some repeated value. I'm simply using that connect back clause for just repetitive thing. Same value. Okay, let's copy paste the same thing. Okay. Okay, so 4 time Oracle, 4 time PLSQL, and 4 time, let's say, YouTube. Okay, let's insert. Okay, we got 9 records. So let's see what kind of data we got. So, okay. So here we have duplicates, right? Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm not talking about records, I'm talking about strings. So let's make a single string out of these records. So I'll use a list aggregate function. Okay, for this column, let's with okay, so this is our final output. So here I'm talking, so this kind of string, sometimes we came up with this kind of string in one is in any of our projects, right? So I know what you guys are thinking. We can directly simply distinct this value and then put the list type functionality over those distinct value. Yeah, that's also possible, but most of the cases you can't able to distinct that value. Here in this is kind of dummy table, and I only use a single column. In your live project, you might have n number of columns, and distinction might be not applicable on that record, but still you want to list at that those values, right? So just in simple distinct won't work here for major cases. Okay, so let's focus on this. Okay, so we do have repeated values in our string. Now our main aim is to eliminate the duplicates, right? So okay, so let's create one simple anonymous blog. Okay, so let's say this is one variable I have created over here, and the final output. Okay, then let's begin the section. And the section, then let's take out this in our. So what we need to do into our repeating string. So this is the main string on which we are going to operate some functionality, right? So, and let's print something dbm. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Original value 2. Let's say what's the original value is this one, right? Okay. And the final value we are going to calculate, and we'll put that final value inside this variable. Okay. So let's okay. So now we got our problem. We got our okay. Let's execute this first. Let's see what we are getting right or wrong. Okay, we don't have anything. What I'm missing here. Let's again rerun this sample. Okay, so here we are getting original value. This is about the main value where we are getting the duplicates, and final value is still blank because we haven't operated anything on that original string. Okay, so here comes the main part. So what you need to do here, you simply need to use the regular expression replace functionality. Replace. Okay, and on which string? This is our parent string on which we need to do the operations. What I'm missing here. Okay, our expression replace. Okay, this is our original string. Okay, now here comes the main part. So let me copy that content, right? So we can see step by step what we are getting. So let me put over here. So this is our original string on which we need to operate something. Okay, so here we need to find out that pattern which is repeated again and again until unless we got some different values, right? So here let's start with we need to capture that value which is before comma. Okay, so this is not equal to symbol and this is comma. So anything from the beginning till the comma will be captured here. We need to put the plus sign here. So plus simply indicate one and more occurrences. Okay, and the second thing, this will is the first, our first you can say that expression, right? The second one is okay. Now we'll start with comma and /1. So this will indicate our the first expression we encounter. So I hope you are aware of this functionality in the regular expression, right? So it's simply this is simply kind of back reference, used for back reference, right? Back reference, what that means? That means the nth expression captured between the braces. Okay, so /1 means the first occurrence, /2 means the second occurrence between the braces. Okay, so here I'm telling, so anything after comma, if that value is same but we capture here, that would be the pattern. Okay, so and we will use it as in with the asterisk sign. So asterisk means 0 or more, means we expect a repeated value, or sometimes we don't expect, right? So we'll put asterisk sign over here. So, and now in the third expression, we will say, okay, if the value doesn't match, there comes a different value, then either after the comma or there will be the end of the string. Okay, got it? So this will be our expression for eliminating the duplicates. Okay, and what we want to replace this pattern with the first, right, and the second, oh sorry, the third one. So here, if you notice in the third expression, you will only encounter the kind of differentiator or simply the end of line, right? So this will be the final result. Okay, let's see if it work or not. So okay, we are done with okay, let's execute. Okay, it's got completed, and here is the result. Oracle, this is the original string, and this is the final string. So all the duplicate value we have got eliminated automatically. Okay, and let's say we again put one new value here, which is not duplicated. Let's say, okay, so let's say we have put SQL over here, or we only need to send a single record. Okay, one record got inserted, save, and the final result with respect to this table we have Oracle record PLSQL SQL YouTube. So SQL is one time, it is not repeated. So let's see, let me clear the past result. So let's re-execute again. So this is our original string and this is our final string. So this is how you will going to eliminate the duplicates from a string. Okay, and here the most important part is order by clause. Okay, so why I'm saying this is the most important one, because if you find something like this, for example, we have this and at last we got this, so this functionality won't work. Okay, so you need to reshuffle this again. First you need to apply some kind of order by functionality on your string, and when it is in the complete order by state, then you need to put the functionality. Got my point? So let's say, okay, so let's say in some of the cases you are getting this string directly from source, okay, and you won't able to apply order by on that. Okay, in that case, first we need to find some approach where we can apply order by and then concatenate back to original string. Right, I handle that case too, right? But to be frank, first let me know in comment section what you guys think, and if required, I'll solve this case too, where we are not able to put order by in a separate video. Okay, so yep, that's how you eliminate the duplicate. So if you have any questions, anything, just put it on the comment section. I'll happy to reply to you. Okay, thank you. Cheers. Peace. Bye.